Hey friends, this is Tractor here, and today I will tell you why the drone Amazon Prime Air facility will not work even right now or even the next 10 years. I have 3 reasons why this will not work. The first problem here is purely logistical. Amazon has almost all warehouse built far away from cities. Drones, even the fantastic new technology, cannot do more than 15 to 20 kilometers flying. Thus, that would mean that creating smaller Amazon drone ports inside the cities, which destroys the entire business model that Amazon has built over many years. The second problem is money, or more specifically, making sure that these awesome drones make some money for the Amazon. This isn't going to venture, the charity, or high purpose. This is a commercial project that must make sense financially. The third big barrier to overcome is, of course, our old friend regulations, licensing liabilities. Drone technology must be licensed by each country and sometimes by city and zone. And now, as of now, it's big no all across the world consumer level drone usage. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like.